Now, the first step is to press on your keyboard your window plus R to give you the run dialog box, Windows plus R. If you don't want to do that, you can click on the section, just type run, and this will pop out. You click on it to pop out. Now type services.msc. Services.msc should type and hit enter key. It should take you to the services. Click anywhere here and just start pressing W, the letter W to take you through what the program starting with W. And just be careful so that once you get to Windows Update, you know you're right there. Look at Windows Update here. Now before we proceed, look to the left. The description of Windows Update says this command enables the detection, download, and installation of updates for Windows and other programs. If this service is disabled, users of this computer will not be able to use Windows Update or its automatic updating feature. Take note of that. If it is disabled from here, this PC will not automatically update anymore. Right. So once you disable it from here, I think that's just about it. You can go on with your PC. The Windows Update will not automatically download updates into your PC anymore. But whenever you want it reactivated, you need to come back here to get that done. Right, so how do you disable from here? Right click on this Windows Update item, go to Properties. Now look at the startup type here, click and select Disabled, and then you can click Apply and OK. That's just all. This feature is right now disabled. Okay, now even if you restart your PC, alright, and connect to the internet, your PC will no longer automatically check for updates and download updates. If you need that to happen, you will need to go to your start, just type update, right? You see Windows Update Settings, click on it. Alright, and when you're here, you can click on check updates here, check for updates. Alright, so once that happens, the PC will connect. Alright, right now I'm not connected to the internet, that's why this is up. It says Windows couldn't check for updates because you aren't connected to the internet. Alright, so now don't forget that we already have our Windows update disabled. Okay, it's already disabled here. Let me show you the short one. It's already disabled. Okay, yeah, it's already disabled here, but look at it here, it's disabled, right? But this here we haven't paused at all. Okay, but you see, check for Windows Update will remain active here, but it won't do the automatic checking and updating anymore. So whenever you want to check for updates, you just come to the Windows Update and click on check updates. Alright, and the PC would at that moment connect to Microsoft Server, alright, to download updates for your PC. Right, so once you leave this disabled, that means whenever you want to update your PC, you need to remember to come to Windows Update and do that manually. Right, so I think that's a better way to handle this Windows updates. You just leave it. What you don't want is automatic updating, alright? But you should remember that updates is very important for your PC. Right, so whenever you want to update, you go to update, right? Click on it, and then you click on check updates, check Windows updates here. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to keep coming back because we'll keep posting videos like this, very brief videos of tutorials that you'll find important. Thank you for watching, thank you for staying with us. Alright.